Follow-up question 2. Should I vacuum my pool on filter or on waste? My sand filter has pump to waste and filter to waste. I have algae that keeps coming back into the pool. Usually vacuum on filter and backwash after, but green flows back in through
the return eyeball.
Try cleaning the filter and pump with waste feature first, but it still comes back into the pool. What am I doing wrong?
I don't know that you're doing anything wrong. I think there's just an awful lot of algae is such a fine material that you're just, there's an overwhelming amount of material that you're trying to get out of the pool. That's where pump to waste would be better, is you're taking the water directly out of the pool with the algae in it and you're sending it right out the backwash line. No opportunity for it to get back into the pool. So what you'd want to do in that particular case would be backwash the filter, then shut it off, then put it on the waste function or pump to waste, turn it back on, vacuum all the debris out, shut it off and go back to normal mode and you'll be fine. I think probably one of the steps that might be missed in there is if you're just running like normal and decide I'm going to vacuum, so you shut it off and you put it on pump to waste and you vacuum it all out, that's fine, but you forgot about everything that's in the filter, everything that's currently in the lines, and you just shoot that all right back into the pool. So that's why I would suggest start by backwashing the filter. That way you know all the filter stuff is gone. You may have a little bit left in the line, in the return line, if it's that bad of a problem, but at least you get the majority of it out. Then shut it off, do pump to waste. That way you vacuum all of that out right out of the pool. And then when you turn it back on filter, you shouldn't get that burst of algae back into the pool.